5-minute morning breath to boost energy and focus. Good morning. Before the phone calls, the emails, and the endless to-do list, give yourself 5 minutes. Just you, your breath, and your mind. This is your 5-minute morning breath, designed to wake up your body, sharpen your focus, and set the tone for your day. Breathing is the fastest way to send signals to your brain about how you want to feel. Quick, energizing breaths can stimulate your sympathetic nervous system, boosting alertness, oxygenating your blood, and increasing circulation to your brain. Studies from Stanford University show that specific breath patterns can enhance mental clarity, improve reaction time, and even regulate mood. This isn't magic, it's pure biology. We'll be using a technique called breath of energy, a safe variation of the yogic Bhastrika Pranayama. Here's how. Sit tall, shoulders relaxed, eyes gently closed. Inhale through your nose deeply, expanding your belly and chest. Exhale through your nose with equal force, like a gentle pump. Keep the rhythm. Inhale, exhale. 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 About 1 breath per second. Do this for 20 seconds, then pause. Take 1 slow deep breath in and sigh it out. Repeat 3 rounds, gradually increasing to 1 minute per round if comfortable. This style of breathing increases oxygen uptake, wakes up your cardiovascular system, and raises your blood pH slightly, making you feel more alert. It also boosts levels of noradrenaline, the brain's natural focus chemical. That's why after just a few minutes, you feel switched on without the caffeine crash. So tomorrow morning, before reaching out for your phone or coffee, reach for your breath. 5 minutes of conscious breathing is all it takes to energize your body, sharpen your mind, and start your day with intention. Because the way you breathe is the way you live. Now, take 1 last deep breath and step into your day with clarity and purpose.